So, let's start with the first one. Technology are tools and machines that help us in our daily lives, like phones and computers. And we cannot deny the fact that we are relying on technology every day. The next one is information and communication. Information and communication technology, or ICT, it involves using devices like computers and phones to share information and to connect with others. Alright, let's proceed to the next one, which is educational technology. The educational technology, it is all about the tools and the technology that are being used in learning or in education, which helps to improve learning and teaching. So this topic is very exciting, especially for us students, because it helps to have a more fun, engaging, and accessible learning phase or learning environment for everybody. And the next one is instructional technology. This has a similarity with the educational technology, but this one focuses more on creating tools to make the teaching or learning more better. So the instructional technology, it deals with designing ways in order to improve the learning phases of the students. So the next one is the technology tools. Technology tools deals with the gadgets, obviously, and the applications or softwares which helps us to do our tasks in our daily lives. So these tools, the technology tools, improve the way we learn, the way we work, and even play games in our technology or in our gadgets. So for example, or the example of these tools or technology tools is the softwares which are the Google Docs and the Microsoft Words, which enables collaboration that allow multitasking, or that allow simultaneous doing of work in the document. Next is the instructional system. It is a method to plan or a process that carries out evaluating teaching programs. It helps ensure that students achieve their learning goals efficiently. Now, let's talk about the topic that caught my attention the most, and it is educational technology. Why? Because it perfectly combines my passion for teaching with my love for technology. Learning about the different educational technologies has shown me new ways or strategies to make the learning fun, engaging, and effective. For example, the Smart Board. It is a touch-sensitive board that allows teachers to display and interact with digital content in real time, and learning apps like Google Class, which also aims to simplify and distribute and also in grading the assignments of the students. One personal insight is that it is not just about the tools, but it is about how we use them to create meaningful learning experiences. It also made me think of my own time as a student, where technology helped me grasp the difficult subjects using visual aids and interactive lessons. In summary, reflecting on these topics has expanded my knowledge and perspective on the incredible intersection of technology and education. I also learned how each topic contributes to or in enhancing our lives and our learning experiences. From the broad impact of technology, these presentations or these topics or lessons have been an eye-opening to us as a future teacher and as a future teacher. So it is also one of the factors that helps us as a student on how we improve our strategies in terms of education or in terms of academic activities or performances. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Aja.